In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your location in Google Chrome. This is particularly useful if you want to see search results from another country or if you're traveling and need to access region-specific content. So let's dive into the process step by step to make sure you get everything set up smoothly. First, you want to open your web browser and go to google.com. This is your starting point and acts as a gateway to customize your search settings. Once the page is loaded, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen. There you'll find a button labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various customizable options for your browsing experience. Among the options, look for one labeled Search Settings and select it. Doing this takes you to a new page where you can alter how Google behaves while you navigate. On the left side of this page, you will see a sidebar with several categories. Click on Other Settings. This section contains additional options that help customize your browsing even further. Scrolling down just a bit in this new menu leads you to a segment titled Language and Region. This is where the magic happens in terms of changing your geographical search criteria. Within this section, focus on Region Settings. Here, you'll be able to select your preferred location among a variety of listed countries and regions. To change your results region, click on the drop-down list under Region Settings. You'll see a range of different countries you can choose from. Pick the one that suits your needs or the one you're interested in for fetching location-specific results. After you've chosen your desired region, the final step is to make sure that your changes are saved and implemented. To do this, simply scroll to the bottom of the page where you'll find the Confirm button. Click on it to confirm and save the changes you have made to your Google search settings. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your location settings in Google Chrome, allowing for a tailored browsing experience based on your chosen region. Keep in mind that these settings can always be adjusted again if you find the need to access a different regional content, so feel free to come back and modify it as many times as you deem necessary. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Thanks for tuning in today, and have a great day exploring new regions from the comfort of your home or wherever you may be.